Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share how I grew my YouTube automation channel from scratch in just 30 days. Trust me, this journey is a game changer. So grab a cup of tea, sit back and let's dive right in. YouTube automation channels are all the rage right now. They offer an amazing blend of passive income and creative freedom, but growing one quickly? That's the challenge. Here's how I tackled it head on. First things first, choose a profitable niche. I can't stress this enough. Find something with a sizable audience. You don't want to go too niche or too broad. For me, I picked a niche with a proven track record and a hungry audience. Next, I got to know my target audience inside out. What do they like? What are they searching for? This step is crucial. Now let's talk about content creation. Automation tools are your best friends here. They help streamline the process, allowing you to focus on strategy and engagement. For my channel, I use tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy to optimize my workflow. This saved me tons of time and kept my upload schedule consistent. Speaking of schedules, consistency is key. I committed to uploading 2 videos a week. This kept my audience engaged and my channel active. Remember, YouTube loves consistency, SEO. It's not the most exciting part, but it's a game changer. I optimize my videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags. This boosted my video's visibility and brought in more viewers. Don't forget about thumbnails and titles either. They need to be eye-catching and compelling. One of my secret weapons was leveraging viral trends. By staying on top of what's trending and incorporating those topics into my content, I saw a huge spike in views. But here's the thing, balance it with evergreen content. Evergreen content stays relevant over time and continues to draw in viewers long after it's published. Finally, I made data-driven decisions. YouTube Analytics is an invaluable tool. It showed me what was working and what wasn't. I used this data to refine my strategy and keep improving, so there you have it. To recap, choose a profitable niche, leverage automation tools, stay consistent, optimize for SEO, and balance viral and evergreen content. These strategies helped me grow my channel quickly, and they can help you too. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube automation channel. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.